Guys, who else missed this game completely? I gotta say that I did. One of you guys commented about Cryptozoon on one of the latest videos, and I had to check it out, and I completely missed this game. It fell under my radar, but I took a long look at it yesterday, and I want to give you an honest review of how this game works and how you actually play it, because I actually bought one of their NFTs last night and started fighting with it. So if you're new to the channel, I am CryptoMan, your anonymous crypto gaming guide. If you want to stay up to date with us on the latest crypto news, sub to the channel and join us in the Elite Crypto League. Okay, so Cryptozoon. Huge game. I did not realize how strong this game's social community was until I checked their Twitter and Telegram last night. 124,000 people on Twitter alone. Okay, so for reference, a lot of the games like Axie and stuff like that, they'll have over 100,000. But most of these games are sitting at probably 10 to 30,000. The fact that Cryptozoon is 124,000 makes it in line with Axie. I did not realize how many people were playing this game. I've only seen a couple references online, and I guess I was just in the wrong forums with people. So their Telegram also has a massive amount, but you can also see here from the engagement on Twitter, they have just huge numbers, right? 873 on their pin posts, lots of representation in other things like CryptoRank, in dapp.com, in DappRadar, tons of posts and shoutouts from other communities. So Cryptozoon has been crushing it on the social realm. Okay, so what actually is Cryptozoon? How do you actually play? So in Cryptozoon's own words, a complete platform of digital creatures, universe live on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can see here the price of each Cryptozoon, which is a Zoon token, is about 3 cents. 103,000 total NFTs minted. That's pretty nuts. And as far as the features, play to earn features, the first ecosystem to combine the greatest aspects of gaming and digital collectibles. Cryptozoon is inspired by Pokemon Story. Our mission is to be able to build a comprehensive platform of digital monsters that will enable millions of individuals to participate in the NFT and blockchain gaming world in a simple, creative, and enjoyable way. So you'll see after I show you the how to play section is very, very simple. It's almost card-based and it's very easy to get started. You basically mint one of their NFTs using Zoon tokens, and then you battle every 4 hours these random skeleton tokens, and you can earn Zoon rewards. So this goes over it more. Owned. To participate in Cryptozoon, you must have at least one Zoan or item, so that's the NFT. You can own in a variety of methods, including purchasing an NFT marketplace, purchasing eggs, which is what I did, and I'll show you how to do that, or purchasing from other players. Play to earn, perform daily quests to acquire more Zoon tokens, and get profit while assisting Cryptozoon in escaping the Yaki's Empire's invasion. So basically that's what I was saying before. You play hourly, so every 4 hours, and then it repeats. And then here, you use Zoon tokens to acquire more Zoans with higher level to enhance your profits with Cryptozoon. So that's the other cool part too. Your monster actually earns experience and rewards, and you can get leveled up, and you can earn even more Zoon tokens by having a more leveled up monster. So a little bit about their roadmap. You can see here everything they've done in phase 1, but in phase 2, they got a lot of the stuff coming. Public launch, NFT farming, influencer marketing. So they really haven't started marketing yet, and that's probably why I haven't heard of it, but they're going to start that soon. Expanding their team, so it sounds like they're going to hire more devs. And then phase 3, game studio partnerships expanded, Zoom training, beta, web version, more exchanges, a mobile app, and a global tournament. Global tournament will be very cool from an esports perspective. We'll get a lot of people into the game. Okay, so I'm going to show you their dapp right now and how you can actually get started. So I'm not connected currently, but you're basically able to buy a random egg using this amount of Zoon, 12,800. I will warn you, it's pretty frequent to get a really bad monster here, a slime or something. So I would be careful with doing it. I would actually probably recommend getting it off somewhere else, like OpenSea or something, because I got a couple here and they were pretty bad. But let's just do the math right now. So 12,800 Zoon is required. If we go over to the price, and the price is actually pretty down today. It is down 25%, but it had a big run up in the last, I would say, like week or so. So let's do the math right now. Okay, so let's do the math right now. This is how much you'd pay today if you tried buying one of these. So we'll take the price of Zoon, multiply it to the amount of tokens you would need, and it's $358. So not as expensive as an Axie NFT, but still pretty expensive, right? $350 for one of the Zoons. But again, you also might not get a really good Zoon, so you have to remember that. And the importance of the Zoons is that when you're actually fighting, it depends on what rarity you had. So if you get a slime, it's pretty bad rewards. If you get a turtle or one of the rarer ones, then it's more rewards when you actually battle with it. And so you can see here, actually, when you get a Zoan, you connect here, and then you get chances to fight these zombies basically every 4 hours, and they'll give you a countdown here. And so you can see here, it actually gives you the chance for each one, and then also with the rewards. And the reward estimated will be unique to your NFT, so it will change depending on which NFT you put in here, which rewards you'll get for each one. And so it's actually kind of a game, but it's not always as similar to this from what I've been reading in the Telegram. It's not as close to the numbers that they give here. So they give like 80% chance, which means you would win 4 of 5, but some people report 2 of 5 or 3 of 5. So it's kind of odd, actually. I don't really know what's going on there, because if the win rate is this on average, then it should be like that. But again, there's some kind of gamification system that's making it a little different than what they actually portray. But it's basically a gambling mechanism, right? So you have chance, and if you do the 20% win rate, you can actually win way more than if you do the 60% one. And you can actually reload the monsters and get different ones and stuff. So it's very cool. You do it basically every 4 hours. So you do need to either automate it somehow by writing a script, or you have to actually just wake up a lot and click the button, or have a friend in a different country do it. But it's basically one of those type of things. But you can play throughout the day. And so that's a cool feature too, because it gets people back incentivized into the game. And so let's actually take a look at the marketplace too, because I want to show you some of the NFTs. I really like the style of the NFTs. I think they're very cool. But you can see here again, like a golem. This one's 45,000. So let's actually take a look at the price sort so you can see what the cheapest ones are. So the cheapest one right now is one of these Slanders. This is a rarity 1, and it's 5,100. So that would be about probably $170, give or take. And so you can see here, they're all kind of around the same line. I actually have a slime. I minted one of the bad ones yesterday. Not much luck overall. I didn't have much luck yesterday in the Pokemon one either, but that is all right. And let's actually go to rarity 6 so we can see what they look like. See, these are really, really expensive. So this one's 112,000. So that would be around $4,000 for this one. But you get such big rewards that potentially once you hook it up to the dapp, you can see that it would probably be around 5 to 7 days you get it back. But again, that's all dependent on the Zoon token price. So what do I think of this game? I really like this game. I only have 2 Zoans. I'm not going to buy any more, but I'm definitely going to play every day because I like the mechanism they have, and the rewards right now are really good. But you have to automate it somehow, so I actually have a script that just logs in and clicks things, because it's not like Axie. You don't have any sort of skill to it. You just click fight monster and then you get a win or a loss back. But I also recommend checking out their Twitter and Telegram. There's tons and tons of people on the Telegram. It's got a great community, so I'm really interested in this game. I'll definitely cover this in the next couple of weeks again, because I think they're going to add more and more stuff. But I want to hear what you guys think. Have you heard of this game before? I did not hear this, and I'm sad I missed out, but I'm glad that one of you guys actually recommended it. Leave a comment below, and I will see you all in the next episode.